Good morning, I'm Dave from Christchurch in New Zealand. I'm here to tell you about my Vixen Vapor Blaster. It's a 1215 and it's looking pretty good. And this is where my machine lives. Do all sorts of stuff from a V8 full V8 engine down to the smallest parts that you can hold in your hand. My 1215 has never let me down. It's in great condition, because with being stainless and then powder coated, it'll last forever. And look at the quality of the finish. This is a 3-year-old machine. You've got the rubber inside, so there's no damage to the rubber at all, and also keeps the beads to last a lot longer too. Now, it's in just as nice order as it was when I got it brand new. I generally use glass beads in water, so I have no problem. It recirculates the water, so I can catch any of the dirt that's in the water, and then that gets disposed of in the rubbish. Today I'm going to do a small item. This is a distributor of a Rover V8. As you see, she's had a bit of a hard life, but she can clean the inside and outside. Remembering, of course, it doesn't matter if I shoot onto the bearings. In fact, it's quite good because it cleans them. It doesn't remove any material, so it doesn't change the dimensions of the bearings. And we're going to leave the label. See, the label will stay. I'll be careful around the label, and that's how minimum this works. So there you go. This is the finished item. So remember I mentioned about that label? As you can see, it's a little bit tired, but after 40 odd years it is a bit tired, that label, but I haven't damaged it anymore. And see how it's got into all the nooks and crannies, and even the screws come up really good. Cleans the threads out really well. And we'll look in the bottom, there's the bronze bushes, see? Nice and clean on the inside down in there as well. And then we go to the inside. I think that looks pretty good, and I'm sure my customer will be very happy. Thank you for listening. Cheers.